Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and installing this Fandalier that I got from Parrot Uncle. Here in the box we got a light kit that is attached to the canopy cover, which goes with 6 bulbs, as you can see right here. This is the final cap. That we have the manual, and we also have the crystal chains. And right here we have 2 screw rods. One is long and the other one is very short, so we are going to be using the long one since I don't want it to be that high. And right here we have another canopy that goes in the wall that's going to be attached to the fan. And this is the exact picture of what I chose right here. Okay guys, as you can see, I didn't know how to install it by myself, so I had to look for someone to come and help me. I had to look for an electrician to do that. And this is the shortest screw, so we are not going to use it. Okay guys, this is exactly what I was telling you guys about. Here you have those holes to place your bulbs. We have the remote that goes with 2 batteries, triple A plus batteries, as you can see. Alright guys, this is my old fan, which is going to be replaced with the Fandalier. I can't wait to see the final look. Let's see how it works, and let's keep watching. Okay, it's ready. Let's see. Oh, I love it. It's beautiful, very fancy. Now we are going to try it. Let's turn it on. Here we have 3 levels of the fan. We have 1, 2 and 3 levels, so we are going to start with the first one to try. Yeah, it works. Okay, right now I'm gonna try the second level. Oh, it's pretty fast. And the third one. There you go. Now we are gonna turn on the lights. Ooh, I love it. Here we have a timer. You can time it for 2 for 8 hours. That was it. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're interested, you can check on my description box below for the link. And once again, thanks for watching.